Hello children. Today let us revise fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Look at the fraction 3/4. The number above the line is the numerator. It indicates the number of equal parts considered. The line is called fraction bar or division bar. The number below the fraction bar is called the denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Kids, a fraction is also a part of a set. Look at an example. Take a set of 4 bottles. 3 are red and 1 is green. Here we say 3/4 of the bottles are red.
Did you know what a unit fraction is? A fraction which has 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. For example, 1/3, 1/7, 1/13, etc.
When 2 or more fractions are given, depending on the value of their denominators, they can be termed as like or unlike fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1/4, 3/4, etc. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 5/8, 5/3, 2/7, etc. Now, let us revise the types of fractions. 1. Proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 2 is less than 8. Thus, we say that 2/8 is a proper fraction. 2. Improper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, A. 5 is greater than 2. Thus, we say that 5/2 is an improper fraction. B. 4 is equal to 4. Thus, we say that 4/4 is an improper fraction. 3. Mixed fractions. A mixed number, also called as mixed fraction, is the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. Look at the 3 circles. The first and second circles are completely colored and half of the third circle is colored. When added together, we get 2½ This 2½ represents a mixed number. Here, number 2 is the natural number and half is the fraction. Now, let us change a mixed number to an improper fraction. Convert 5 and 3/9 into an improper fraction. To do this, multiply the natural number by the denominator and then add the numerator to the product to get the new numerator. Write the denominator as it is. Therefore, 5 and 3/9 is equal to 5 into 9 in brackets plus 3/9, which is equal to 45 plus 3/9, that is equal to 48/9. Thus, 5 and 3/9 is equal to 48/9. Next, we will change an improper fraction into a mixed number. Look at the given fraction. To convert into a mixed number, we divide the numerator 9 by the denominator 2. We get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. We write the mixed number as quotient plus remainder upon divisor. Thus, 9 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 and half. Children, wasn't revising fractions fun?